Hello guys, my name is Joseph and it's a teaching video today because some of our customers they don't know how to use the functions on the Tricycle, so we decided to record this video for your reference. And we are showing the two models of our tricycles. It's a fat model MG1703 and the step-through model is MG708. So here we go. We are going to show you some functions of our tricycles. The first model is MG1703. It's a fat tire. All three wheels are 20-inch and 4-inch wide. The first step after you assemble the tricycles, you have to check the battery. You have to make sure the battery have locked down on the rail and make sure the battery had insert into the here is the lock. Please make sure you can lock the battery on the rail. After that, you should turn the key to the on position. Here now is the off position, and you should turn to the on position. Then the light of the battery will be opened. And the same things, if you want to remove the battery, you should turn to the off position and insert the keys and turn the keys to the unlock position. After that, you can take out the battery by the handle. Okay. After we turn on the battery, the step 2. Here we can see the buttons and displays. The first step, you should turn on the display. Here is the power on button and light button, information, and up button, down or plus and minus. So you should hold on the power on for 3 seconds. Okay, so the display is on, and now it shows error code 25 because I'm braking. That's another function. We use a parking lever on the both parking lever too. It is used for the uphills. As you know, the tricycles do not have a stand or kickstand. So if you want to park tricycles on the uphill, we will need this function. Let's show you. If we don't brake, the tricycles will move. Okay, let's brake it again. It's very easy. Hold on the brake lever and here is a clamp to lock the lever. Then the tricycle is parking. And same one on the right side. Okay. Then I'll show you the functions on the display. The first, you can see the 3 data here. It shows you the battery indicator. It has 5 bars of the battery, and it means the 100% capacity, and each bar means 20%. And here is a pedal assist lever. The totally 9 levels, so it can be adjusted by these 2 buttons. It's plus and minus. The different levels has a different speed by the pedal assist, but it will not influence the throttle. So when you use the tricycles or when you pedal the tricycles, it will drive the motor, and if you don't pedal, you just need to use the throttle. And please pay attention to this. If you use the throttle only, and there is no levels for the throttle, so if you change the levels by this one, it will just change the speed of the pedal assist. Okay, and here is speed data. It's speed mph. Okay, and let me stop the braking so we can see more information. Okay, can you see the bottom of the display? It's a trip, and you can press the information button to change the different data. It's a riding time and maximum speed and average speed. Trip. Okay. And the last one, here is a light button. If you want to turn on the light, wait a moment, let me braking the tricycles. Okay, so you just need to press this light button for one time. Here, it's can you see it? Front light and the rear light. Okay, so here are all the electric system functions of the tricycles, and there are also some small functions for the mechanic, like the suspension lock and the transmission. Transmission controlled by this shifter. Okay, controlled by these two clamps. And some other things like the seat post height, it can be adjusted by this seat post clamp, and you can see that in the assembly video. Okay, and this is all thing of the MG 1703. So let me introduce the next one. It's 708, MG 708. It's a 24-inch step-through urban tricycle. Actually, the most functions of them are the same. The same battery, and the same brake lever, the both sides, and the same transmission shifter. It's also the Shimano 7 gears, and the same throttle. There's only one thing different. It's display. Okay, the first step, you still need to turn the keys to the on position. Okay, it's already on the on position. Okay, here we show you the functions of the display. As it has only 3 buttons, so there's no more a lot of functions of this model. So the first one, turn on the front light and rear light. Let's hold on the plus button for 3 seconds. Okay. Here we see the light is on, and the rear light. Yes, turn it on. And if you want to turn off the light, it's the same step. Hold on for 3 seconds. Okay. So that's all of the functions of these two tricycles, and if you guys have some still, okay, here are all the information we record today, and if you guys have other problems of the tricycles or any other problems on the assembly or riding, please contact us, and we hope you have a nice riding. See you.